Alright, so I'm in the process of installing the SmartCarb 2 for my 2018 KTM 250XC. I'm getting ready to take it to Colorado in about 3 to 4 weeks. So I read the manual a couple times, not completely in the end, but for the key parts. And a couple of things that I learned from this, just as a tip, is making sure that I've got enough slack in the throttle cable. So I attached the throttle cable to the car before I put it on, and I then moved the handlebar side by side, and I observed if the slide moved at all, and it was moving up and down whenever I would turn it from side to side. And so I went ahead and I took this apart. This was, I had to oil this a little bit, and then I screwed in this adjuster all the way in to give me enough slack. And as a result, I'm not having any sort of a movement now of the slide. So this looks pretty good. And so I went ahead then, per the instructions, I went ahead and bolted this on. I did not have to do any mods to the air boot, thank goodness. It was a little bit of work getting it on, and then it finally just snapped right in on this area. This was easy. And so, and then I looked down the air boot. Of course, you can't really tell a whole lot, to make sure that there was no obstruction to that Ventura system. And from what I can tell, there is not. And so that's good news. So now all I really need to do is just button the whole thing up, and I'm gonna just try it like it is out of the factory. And you know, these are essentially all of my settings, and so I'm gonna run it just stock like how they sent it to me. And so we'll see how this works out. So this is the SmartCarb 2 36 millimeter. That looks like a aluminum billet type of thing, and pretty shiny. We'll just see how it operates. I'm going to reuse my existing fuel hose as well, and we'll see how it goes. That's all for now.